If we want to sum up sales, let's say these are the sales. I want to sum the sales. What do you need to do? Let's say the sales for the week from Monday to Saturday. So let's have here total sales, right? Total week sales. So we have a total week sales here. Let me extend this. Let me text wrap it. Interesting. So the total week sales can be calculated on this column, while the daily sales can be calculated on this row, daily sales. Wow, that is interesting. So we are going to be having our week sales here and our daily sales here. So what do I need to do to know the total week sales for rice? So all I need to do is to type equal to sum, whether the sum is in small letter or capital letter, that is uppercase or lowercase, it doesn't matter. So I type equal to sum. The first cell here that has the value is cell B2, so I'm going to type cell B2 column. The last cell here is G2. So the Monday cell is on cell B2. The last cell for Saturday is on cell G2. So with this column, is going to sum up everything contained from Monday to Saturday. That is anything that is between cell B2 up to cell G2 is going to sum them up with cell B2 and G2 inclusive. So I'm going to hit the enter key now on my keyboard. Enter. Wow, it has automatically summed this up. The total sales for week for which rice was sold has been calculated. So for beans now, the same applies. We type equal to sum, open bracket. Beans begins from B3 and ends in G3. So I'm going to type equal to sum, open bracket, B3 column G3. Then I close the bracket and hit the enter key. It will sum up the total week sales for beans. Wow. So to sum spaghetti, flour, indomie, biscuits, sweets, toothpaste and yogurt, there's no need repeating this formula. All I just need to do is to go to the cell where I calculated for beans, then bring the mouse pointer downward. When it changes to this cross here, I click and I drag down up to yogurt. Wow, this automatically sums up the total for the week for each of these items. So now let me bold the summation we have done. I'm bolding it so that we'll be able to separate it. So the total week sales for rice have been calculated. The total week sales for beans, spaghetti, flour, indomie, biscuits, sweets, toothpaste and yogurt, all of them have been calculated. Now let's find out how we can calculate the total sales for each day. Now on Monday, what was the total sales? What I simply need to do is also to type equal to sum, open bracket. Now the total sale for beans for Monday begins from B2, then I'll type B2 column. The last sale was for yogurt, which is B10. So I type B10, close my bracket, hit the enter key. Wow, that's interesting. So it has automatically sum up the total sales for Monday. So we go to Tuesday and we apply the same thing, only that we are going to reference the applicable cells now. So we type equal to sum, open bracket. The Tuesday cell begins from C2. So I'm going to type C2 column. The last cell is C10. Then I close my bracket, hit the enter key. Wow, this is interesting. So what I need to do, there's no need calculating for Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and entering the formula differently. All I need to do is to come on the Tuesday where I just did the calculation. Then my mouse pointer be positioned on the dot where it will change to a cross. Then I click and I drag up till Saturday. I'm going to bold so that it will separate it. So with this we have known the total sales for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. Wow, that is very interesting. So if you want to know the total sales for the entire purchases, what do you then do? Is just to apply the right formula. All you need to do is to click on the cell where you want the answer to be and you type equal to sum, open brackets. The first cell here is B2 column. The last cell is what? G10. So with this, it's going to sum up everything that was sold within this duration from B2 up to G10. So you just hit the enter button. So this is the total sales for the week for these items. So very interesting and simple.